Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain the chapter in the Kingdom of Fools written by R.K. Ramanujan. Student, this is a Kannada folk tale. Folk tales are the rich treasure which we inherit from our forefathers. These folk tales have deep lessons to be emulated. In this story, the author wants to convey the idea that fools have their own conception and perception of life. Fools live in their own paradise. They are in the people who cannot be easily impressed by others. Only the wise people can mold their way of life. In the present story, the king and his minister have a strange system of administration. It is only the wise guru who brings normalcy. Once there was a strange land called the Kingdom of Fools. It was ruled by a foolish king and his minister. They had a reversal of values and system. They ordered the people to sleep during the day and work at night. If anybody disobeyed the rules, she was punished and put to death. Nobody had the courage to disobey the rules. In this land, the cost of everything was the same. One day, a guru and his disciple paid a visit to this city. It was the daytime and everybody was sleeping. The guru and his disciple were filled with wonder. The people woke up in the evening and started walking. The guru came to know that it was the kingdom of fools. The guru decided to leave the city, but his disciple wanted to stay there. The guru advised his disciple that it was dangerous to live there, but the disciple was bent on living there. The disciple was very happy by eating and living there. With the passage of time, he became fat. One day, thief broke into the house of a rich merchant while he was taking away the stolen goods. A wall of the house fell on him, and he died on the spot. The thief's brother complained to the king that the owner of the house was responsible for his brother's death. The king summoned the owner of the house, but the owner said that he was innocent because the builder of the wall was responsible. The bricklayer was summoned, but the bricklayer accused a dancing girl who diverted his attention while he was building the wall. The king summoned the girl for the crime. She shifted the responsibility onto the goldsmith. She gave the goldsmith gold to make some jewelry for her, but the goldsmith made her visit him again and again. Now it was the goldsmith who was responsible for the murder. The king ordered the goldsmith to be produced before him. The goldsmith defended himself by saying that he had to prepare jewelry for a wedding in a rich man's house. This was the reason that he could not make jewelry for the dancing girl on time. The rich man was brought to the court of the king. The king declared the rich man to be the murderer, but he informed the king that his father had ordered the jewelry. After consulting his minister, the king declared that the rich man should be punished in place of his father. A new stake was to be made ready for the owner of the house, but the owner was very thin, so he could not be executed. Now, an order was passed to search a man who was fit to be executed on the stake. The Guru's disciple was found fit for the stake. He was summoned. Now the disciple remembered the advice of his Guru. He prayed to his Guru to save him. The Guru had the magical powers to see the situation. He rushed to save his disciple. He whispered something to his disciple. The Guru played a trick. He and his disciple started quarreling. The Guru wanted to die first. The king wanted to know why he wanted to die first. The Guru told the king that anybody who would die first would become a king in the next birth. The foolish king wanted to be a king in his next birth also. He discussed the matter with his minister. Both of them wanted to be the king and the minister in their next birth. So they decided to die. That is why they were put to death. The Guru and his disciple were released. Now the people of the city wanted to discuss the future of the kingdom. They requested the Guru and his disciple to become the king and the minister of the country. They agreed, but on one condition that all